Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this chlorophyll supplement from Now Supplements. I began taking chlorophyll almost about a year ago, and what it can do is chlorophyll may be able to assist your body with detoxification. And while I can't speak to that, when I consistently take chlorophyll, I notice how little I smell. Even after an intense workout or a long walk, I don't smell. I sweat, but I don't smell. And when I've missed taking it for a few days, I notice the difference. Now, the supplement is small and easy to swallow. I take it twice a day, so the bottle lasts me about a month and a half. And I purchased from Now Supplements because of their quality checks, which is very important to me and my peace of mind. And they also work to keep prices low, which means I can continue to purchase. I've always had a good experience purchasing this supplement through Amazon. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.